All right, so we have the C-Spring stackable shoe boxes, shoe cases to look nice. So this is how they come. Let's kind of get this open and see what they look like. All right, so that is what the inside of the box looks like, how they come. You can see right here on the instructions, and then we can see you're supposed to stack them, like build them up. So it looks like we unfold this. So it looks like we unfold one of these, and then we have a front part that has a door on it that you can just open up, and then we have a back part with some ventilation. All right, so then you have all these four corners, and you fold those in, it looks like. And you can see we have the little groove there, and that's where these folded ends kind of catch onto it, looks like. Yeah, and so that's gonna stay on there pretty well, nice. And then you do the same thing for the front. So there you go, and now it's more or less a shoebox. That's pretty cool. And you just open it up. You put your shoes on in there, and it's got ventilation, so it's pretty nice. So this will be pretty cool. I'm gonna put a bunch of these, have them in my closet, so that my shoes, everything's just gonna look a lot more organized, and I'm happy about this. It's gonna be exciting.